Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some windy conditions out there already this morning, especially just along the coast, seeing a wind advisory in effect currently. Going to continue to see that throughout the remainder of the day today, with a chance of being canceled by early this evening. We'll see rain showers moving in for this afternoon, possibly seeing a sprinkle this morning, but the bulk of the moderate to heavy rainfall that is possible will be during the early afternoon hours today. Looking at our sounding, we have a freezing level at 3,400 feet. Winds out of the south and fairly breezy at 23 knots at 1,000 feet. And seeing winds out of the southwest and then west-southwest as we move up in the column. Seeing winds anywhere from about 40 to 50 knots between 3,000 and 12,000 feet. Then seeing winds increase thereafter out of the west-southwest with a peak wind this morning at 25,000 feet at 82 knots. Seeing our surface analysis this morning showing a cold front approaching from the west. That's going to be giving us that rainfall chance this afternoon, and we'll see those chances around 100% for this afternoon, as rainfall looks very likely and a possibility of some heavy rainfall as well. So taking a look at our current radar imagery, you can see we do have some rain showers in general north of the Wallops region. Seeing a few light sprinkles trying to move in the region this morning, but overall the bulk of the rainfall will be during the early afternoon hours today. Taking a look at the HRM model and the derived reflectivity, even seeing some wintry precipitation north and west of the Wallops region this morning across northern and western Maryland. Overall, here is 1 o'clock this afternoon, or 1,300 local. Rainfall is right on the doorstep, and then we move to 2 o'clock, seeing that rainfall starting to really approach, and then for 3, seeing that a little bit of enhanced band of rainfall right along the cold front. That's going to give us that chance of some heavy rainfall around 4 to 5 o'clock, even possibly till about 6 o'clock this evening. That should move out. Once we move it to about 7 to 8 o'clock tonight, should be out of the region, and then we'll just continue to see drying conditions with our skies really starting to clear out during the overnight hours. Taking a look at the European model the next few days, here's Tuesday. We'll have additional upper level disturbance moving north of our region. That's just going to increase our cloud cover slightly. We'll see temperatures fairly mild for tomorrow in the mid-50s. And then for Wednesday, similar pattern with another system approaching from the west. It's going to give us more of a southwesterly to westerly flow. That's a fairly warm wind across the Wallops region, and that's going to give us temperatures in the lower to mid-50s. Should see winds out of the south on Wednesday, more southwesterly winds on Tuesday. And then for Thursday, looking like a boundary will move south of our region. That'll give us a little bit cooler air mass across the region, but still seeing some mild temperatures in the 50s on Thursday. And then for Friday, looks like a system approaches from the south and from the west. High pressure moves in over New England, and that'll keep our temperatures in the 40s for Friday. And Saturday looks like we'll see a good chance of some rainfall, especially in the morning hours, possibly lingering into the afternoon. And Saturday could be a very mild day across the region as mild air moves into the region. Just depends on how quickly the system moves through for Saturday and whether we remain in the 50s or possibly reach the 60s for our Saturday. And Sunday we'll see additional system moving into the region, giving us a chance of some more rain showers. So taking our looking at a risk chart for today, seeing a high around 49, a low tonight around 33, seeing those windy conditions gusting up to possibly 31 knots this afternoon. So we'll have a wind advisory. Looks like remaining in effect through about mid to late afternoon today and possibly until the early evening hours. We'll see those rain chances near 100% during the early afternoon into the mid-afternoon hours today, and we could see a period of some heavier rainfall with that enhanced area of rainfall moving through right along the cold front, As far as our 24-hour terminal forecast, should see VFR conditions until early this afternoon. Can't rule out some lower level cloud cover this morning, but overall the best chances will be during the afternoon hours of that rainfall moving through, and could see ceilings down to 700 feet or possibly lower with the heavy rainfall in the region. And the best chance of that occurring will be between 16 and 1,700 local. Looking at our sky coverage overnight, seeing skies clearing out nicely, just going to increase some upper level cirrus cloudiness overnight, so anywhere from mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies tomorrow morning with some filtered sunshine. Our tides are normal, And Tuesday and Wednesday, seeing some drying conditions on both days. Tuesday will be partly to mostly cloudy, breezy, and mild, a high of 56, looking like those winds will be around 25 knots, and possibly a bit higher during the late afternoon hours. Just some mild disagreement, not as high confidence to go with a red for Tuesday quite yet for our winds. And Tuesday night, we'll see mostly clear to partly cloudy, a low of 33 degrees, green chart across the board. And for Wednesday, seeing partly cloudy and slightly breezy winds, a high of 54 degrees. We'll see those winds around 23, 24 knots, so yellow for our chances of our wind advisory for Wednesday. Next 7 days, looking like mild conditions for Tuesday through Thursday, and a bit cooler on Friday, and a 70% chance of rainfall on Saturday, 55% chance on Sunday. Temperatures in the upper 50s on Saturday and lower 50s on Sunday. Only day expecting below freezing temperatures would be Friday morning, and possibility we see temperatures down to freezing tomorrow morning and Wednesday morning, but looks like they could just be above that mark as well. So that'll complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. We'll be back at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. tomorrow morning.